In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add fonts to your WebStarts page editor. But before I get into the video, I'd like to invite you to tap the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll be the first to find out when I release a new video on web design, internet marketing, search engine optimization, and similar topics. To get started, I've loaded up the WebStarts page editor. I can then go ahead and click on any text that appears on my page and then click the attached edit icon, select the text, and then click on this font family dropdown, scroll down to the bottom and click where it says add fonts. By doing this, you'll be able to select from over 700 Google font styles that you can add to the editor and apply to your website. You can search for the font by their name, popularity, alphabetically, date, style, and whether or not it's trending. You can also check the boxes for serif, sans serif, display, and handwriting fonts if those are what you wish to have displayed. When you find a font that you want, just click the little plus icon in the upper right hand corner of the font, and if you'd like to remove a font from the editor, you can click the remove icon. When you're ready, click add, and those fonts are automatically added to your font family dropdown. Go ahead and select the one that you want and apply it to your web page. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website, and I'll see you next time.